Hello guys. This afternoon, mom and I went to the market and she bought me this. Thank you so much. A whiteboard, a whiteboard, and this glue stick. Um, Let me just express my gratitude to my ever beloved mom for this gift. I appreciate her so much. I can't wait to pay them back all their sacrifices for me. Oh, okay. Okay. Oops. Thank you so much. Uh-oh. Hey! Thank you so much, Mama Pressy. And then, aside from that, I was planning to make use of this as, for my eyebrows, because why not? It's free to explore, guys. I mean, initially I planned to use this for my sticky notes, in case they won't stick to the paper or any document that I am using it for. So let's do. I don't know how many hours or even minutes this glue will last, but I'm here for how it would shape my eyebrows. Yes. Actually I have a brow gel, like literally for my eyebrows, but it's soap, so I don't think it will really stick. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ah. So that's